Over the last 27 years, the Eldon James Corporation has become a leader in manufacturing quality plastic tubing and connectors. Founded in 1987, the Eldon James Corporation began by creating a proprietary line of superior single barb fittings using the injection molded plastic process. In 2007, Eldon James diversified and developed complementary lines of PVC-free tubing. Commitment to innovative, clean resins for fittings and tubing differentiate Eldon James from many other manufacturers. Eldon James is an ISO 13485 certified manufacturer with a proactive approach to quality and continual system improvement. An early commitment to produce alternatives to PVC has made Eldon James possibly one of the only plastic tubing and connector manufacturers in the U.S. that is 100% PVC-free in products and manufacturing. As a woman-owned, U.S.-based manufacturer, the Eldon James Corporation has experienced steady and significant growth over the last 27 years. With direct customers in over 40 countries, their global reach has continued to expand through leading innovation and high-tech manufacturing. In 2013, the new headquarters and full manufacturing facility was built in Denver, Colorado. With over 75,000 square feet, this facility now includes available capacity, technology-advanced equipment, and redundancies that are important to many customers. Partnership engineering has been the heart of Eldon James' success. CAD modeling and 3D printing have created opportunities to co-develop new innovations. Eldon James customers benefit from custom connectors to specialty tubing designs, materials, and engineering capabilities. Currently, Eldon James offers 18 proprietary lines of tubing that are 100% PVC-free and available from stock for immediate shipment. Multiple extrusion lines are capable of producing tubing from microbore up to 1-inch ID. Tubing manufacturing capabilities also include co-extrusion, multi-lumen tubing, and other custom applications. An automated state-of-the-art resin delivery system allows for process-ready material to be delivered to equipment within a closed loop. This helps eliminate contamination, downtime, and facilitates reliable 24-hour production. With total customer satisfaction driving the quality standards, quality control is continual throughout the entire process. Quality validations occur real-time through advanced ERP and beta laser mic monitoring that measures ID and OD during the extrusion process. Cleanroom manufactured tube and connectors can be produced and inspected within a Class 7 cleanroom. In this 15,000 square foot space, inspection is completed for cleanroom tubing, fittings, assemblies, and packaging. Investment in the best molding equipment and tooling allows Eldon James to manufacture to tight tolerances for millions of parts that are produced monthly. Eldon James manufactures a wide variety of materials and enjoys selling to a diverse range of industries. Innovations, including the single barb connectors, have helped eliminate the need for adhesives and assemblies using Eldon James tubing. Superior single barb fittings are particularly valuable when using TPE and TPU tubing. Barcode scanning has been implemented to track and trace over 6,000 proprietary products from raw material through production, quality, warehousing, and final shipment with certificates of traceability. Eldon James is committed to exceeding your expectations through innovation, quality, and continual process improvement.